Hello everyone. In this tutorial you will learn how to create this nice gift box. Let's get started. First of all, let's add a cube. Go to edit mode, then press Ctrl R and a loop cut. Then move it on top. Go to face mode and hold shift and select these faces. Then press Alt E and select extrude faces along normal. Now just extrude it a little. Let's add 2 more loop cuts on both sides of our cube. Then select these faces and select extrude along normals. OK. Now go to curve and add a circle. Now go to edit mode and you can use S and G to scale and grab to find your best result. Hold shift and then right-click here to bring the cursor up. Then right-click and select Origin to 3D cursor. Now select the circle and go to Geometry and increase the depth. Then play with extrude value. Now select it and press Alt D to duplicate it and rotate it 90 degrees on Z-axis. Then do it for others. You can select the middle part and use Alt S and scale it a little down. OK. Great. Now let's add a sphere and scale it down. Now select these edges and then press Ctrl B to bevel. Let's grab it up and add a plane and scale it. Then select the edges and extrude them. Now use Ctrl B to bevel. Finally, shade it smooth. OK. Let's add some material. You can use Blender Kit add-in for add material. It's free and you can download it and use a bunch of free material. Link of download is in the description. Let's select this one. Put the engine on cycles and device on GPU. Then go to render view. Let's add an area light. Now increase the power. You can press Shift D to duplicate it and use it somewhere else. Now select the plane and your base color. Go to edit mode and select these faces. We want to add different material to them. Now add another material and assign it. You can add your favorite color. Also, you can go to Blender Kit and find your material. Now do it for another part. Let's add a color for the sphere. Add a camera and press and then check the camera to view box. Press 0 to go to camera view and place it wherever you want. Let's decrease the power a little. You can add a spotlight and make a nice soft and warm color on our nice gift box. Okay. Let me grab these vertices and make a different shape. Okay. Now just click on Render Image. And this is our nice gift box. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.